आणि आज माझ्या बरोबर असा श्रीपाद धोंड, जनरल सेक्रेटरी नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी, आणि आमचे चंदन मांद्रेकर, वायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी. हो आज प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आफोवपाक कारण म्हटल्यार खुबशी अफवा भायर पर्वरी मतदारसंघात बद्दल चल्लेली आसा की रोहन खंवटे जे पर्वरचे आमदार आसा ते आनी तेंचे बंधू हे दोगूय जाण काँग्रेस प्रवेश करपाचे आसा म्हणून, आनी पर्वरी काँग्रेसीची तिकेट रोहन खंवटेक दितले. त्याच बरोबर त्यांच्या भावाक सांताक्रूज मतदारसंघान तिकेट दितले, अशा तरेची अफवा भायर आयकुपाक येता. ह्या विशयाचेर हांव सांगपाक सोदतां, ह्यो गोश्टी आसा पळय हे फक्त निव्वळ अफवा आसा. ह्या गोश्टी भितर कांयच तथ्य ना. काँग्रेस पक्षान क्लियर केलेलें आसा की युती संदर्भात तेंच्यांनी अजून कोणा कडेन उलोवप करूं ना, आनी जे मनीस काँग्रेस पक्षाचो घात करून गेल्ले अशा लोकांक काँग्रेस पक्ष परत घेवचो ना. खास करून जे 10 आमदार काँग्रेसींतल्यान फुटून गेल्ले भाजपान, तांकां तर घेवचोच ना म्हणून. आतां जेन्ना 10 आमदाराक काँग्रेस पक्ष परत घेना, तेन्ना ह्या रोहन खंवटे जो मेन डिफेक्टर आशिल्लो, मूळ 11वो जो आसा, ताका कित्याक घेतलो? ताकाय बीन ते घेवपाचें कारण ना. ज्या वेळार 2017ची निवडणूक जाली, डिक्लेअर जाले रिजल्ट्स, बाब रोहन खंवटे निवडून येयल्या नंतर जेन्ना ते काँग्रेसच्या सपोर्टाचे निवडून आयिल्ले, दनपारची वेळ आशिल्ली, तेणें एनावन्स केलें काँग्रेसी बरोबर आपूण सरकार करता म्हणून. पूण तो काँग्रेसीच्या कॅम्पान फिरकलोच ना. तो सिदादे गोवन पावलो मनोहर पर्रीकराक मेळपाक. आफ्टर गेटिंग इलेक्टेड ऑन द काँग्रेस ticket, switching over side within 24 hours of getting elected, can this be explained by anyone? It could be explained only as defection. He is the first traitor and the first defector of 2017 assembly. आणि ताज्या खातीर रोहन खंवट्या खातीर काँग्रेस पक्ष सरकार स्थापन करूं शकलो ना. 2017ची जेन्ना फ्लोर टेस्ट जाली पळय, त्या फ्लोर टेस्टाच्या वेळार सुद्दां संदी आशिल्ली. पयलीं तुमी म्हणटा कितें काँग्रेस पक्षान स्टेक केली ना क्लेम म्हणून. देर इज नो टायम लिमीट टू स्टेक क्लेम. इट इज नॉट अ रॅट रेस हू रिचीज फर्स्ट. इफ रोहन खंवटे वॉज विथ अस, he could have signed a declaration that he is giving support to the Congress. We could have produced it, but he was not available. So where is the case of Congress not staking the claim? Fine, even if a Congress had not taken a claim, I was there present in the Congress camp on that day, just one day before the floor test of Manohar Parrikar. आणि बाबूश मोन्सेराताच्या लिडरशिपीच्या अंडर, Babush was not an elected MLA, but he had taken initiative to form the government. And in 2017 floor test, on that day, Manohar Parrikar would have lost the floor test. Had Rohan Khawte was with us, there was another traitor in the Congress camp, and he was Vishwajit Rane. Rohan Khawte नाशिल्लो सुद्दां जाल्यार आमी सरकार तेन्ना फ्लोर टेस्ट डिफीट करता आसले मनोहर पर्रीकराक. But Vishwajit Rane slipped off from our camp, and it happened right under my nose. I can vouch for it. And that is the reason we could not form the government, because Vishwajit Rane is the second traitor. Now if you are not taking these 10 MLAs, we will definitely not take Rohan Khawte and Vishwajit Rane. And after these two main traitors, then came the defection of 10 MLAs. And why did it happen? It happened because of Rohan Khawte and Vijay Sardesai. त्यांच्यानी इतले करप्शन चलयले आणि जेन्ना आमी तांकां ऑफर दिली बाबा रे तुमी सरकार करून घडोवपाक येया आमच्या बरोबर म्हणून ते येयले ना. When Babush Monserrat got elected, Congress had given them the offer. You come with us, we will form the government. You did not come. When Manohar Parrikar expired, we again gave them the offer. You come with us, we are forming the government. You did not come. There were so many opportunities for you. But even after Manohar Parrikar expired, you said like you wanted to continue with the legacy. You continued with the legacy. You were kicked out. Then also you were not ready to come with us. You said like you want to be inside. Take us inside. तुम्ही धरणा धरले आमकां भितर घ्या म्हणून. We are still with the NDA म्हणून. And now you are saying you want alliance with us and you are spreading rumors that you are coming in Congress. I am telling Rohan Khawte, you are the first traitor. And there is no family business here in the Congress. It is a fake news. I have consulted my party leaders. My party leaders have assured me it is true, no doubt, that Rohan Khawte has made big money staying with the BJP in power. And he thinks like he can offer bags to the Congress and get a Congress ticket. And baga ayli bin Congress gade. But Congress leaders are in no mood to accept these bags. The party high command has made it clear. This time tickets will not be decided by the leaders, local leaders. It will be decided by the cadre, and the cadre will rule. So don't even dare to spread this type of fake rumors. Now was the last assembly session of 3 days. And आमचो जो परवरचो आमदार आसा पळय ते खूब उलोवपाक कळटा पळय. ताका ते 3 दीस पावनाशिल्ले. सुबेज दीस जाय आशिल्ले बिलां डिस्कस करप. आनी आमी कितें पळयलें? गव्हर्मेंट पास्ड दी गोवा मायन्स एंड मिनरल डेव्हलपमेंट एक्ट, दी पंचायत राज अमेंडमेंट एक्ट, दी गोवा भूमिपुत्र bill, and so many other legislations. I am only speaking on these 3 aspects. ज्या वेळार हे भूमिपुत्र बिल पास जातालें तेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगलें बाबा तुमकां टायम मेळूंक ना खरो. I have given it late, but I am ready for debate. Can you debate काय म्हणून? This question was asked by the chief minister, who was nicknamed as Pappu by Rohan Khawte. Now that Pappu made Rohan another Pappu. तो एक डायलॉग आसा पळय बॉर्डर मुवीतलो, अक्षय कुमार म्हणटात पळय, अक्षय खन्ना, खिलौनों से खेलते खेलते बच्चे भी बड़े हो जाते. तसो वो पप्पू पप्पू पळय म्हणटालो चीफ मिनिस्टराक, एका रातयान चीफ मिनिस्टरान रोहनाक पप्पू केलो. आनी ताज्या तोंडा समोर भूमिपुत्र बिल पास करून घेतलें आनी स्वताक सर्टिफायड केलो आपूण भूमिपुत्र म्हणून. म्हणजे रोहन घाटी आसतलो. बरोबर की ना? ज्या मनशाक चीफ मिनिस्टराक तुमी टॉन्ट करताले पप्पू पप्पू म्हणून, त्याच मनशान तुमकां स्वता पप्पू केलें मरे. तुमकां कितें उलोवपाचें आनी कितें ना तें तुमकां कळना. पिशापणां करपाक लागले तुमी वॅलीन वचून. रघुपती राघव राजा राम थंयसर भजन गावपाक लागले. कोण टोपयो काडटा आनी उडयता. These things never happened in the history of the Goa legislature, that an MLA, a member of the house, may rush to the well of the house, may get agitated, may get excited. It is normal. But when marshals come there, you cannot take the hat and touch the uniform of the marshal, insult the marshal, insult the constitutional symbol, and throw hat, flung it in the air on the speaker. And why didn't the speaker didn't take the cognizance of this contempt? I demand that he should now take cognizance, the videos is available, and take action against this legislator because he has brought disrepute to Porwarkars. Porvorim, which is an educated constituency where decent people live, it is shameful that we are sending such kind of MLA in the house and he is being disrepute to the people of Porvorim by doing such Mawali acts. We had done another Mawali act by holding some functionary of the BJP by his hand and threatening him. And the memories are fresh. Now you are doing another Mawali act of flinging up the hats in the air. And आमका असले लोक काँग्रेस पार्टीन नाका. अशा लोकांक जर घेत जाल्यार काँग्रेस पार्टीचें काय बरें जावपाक ना. फॉरगेट अबाउट काँग्रेस पार्टी गोंयकारांचें बरें जावपाक ना आनी आमी गोंयकारांच्या बऱ्या खातीर आज ह्या रणांगणान आसा. ह्या लोकांच्या पासून मुक्तता दिवपा खातीर आसा आनी त्या खातीर आमी झगडटले. आज हांव पोरवोरचो रेप्रेझेंटेटीव पोरवोरी ब्लॉक काँग्रेसीचो म्हणून आज तुमच्या समोर उलयता. पूण अशा सारकिल्या लोकांक घरा धाडपाची जी वेळ येयल्ली आसा. तुमी ड्रामा करून कित्याक दाखयता हावजान? जेन्ना भुमिपुत्र एक्ट प्रेझेंट जातालो, you could have moved an amendment motion at least to change the name. भूमिपुत्र म्हणजे कितें? गोंयान एक भास आसा, गोंयान एक वर्ड आसा, कोंकणी वर्ड आहा भूमिपुत्र. भूमिपुत्र जे पळय जल्मी आहा पळय जल्मी, दे आर द ओरिजिनल भूमिपुत्रास. हियर those people who have settled in Goa 500 to 600 years pre-Portuguese times, they are Bhumiputras. If Rohan Khaute had that much of sense in him, he didn't need time to study the act. ल्हान भुरगो सुद्दां अशें पान पळयना फुडें सांगपाचो कितें रे काय म्हणून. पूण तुका सांगपाक कळना, तूं पिशापणां करपाक लागलो कित्याक तूं पप्पू. हें सिद्ध जाल्लें आसा. If anybody else was there, a sane person from Porvorim, you would have moved an amendment. You would have at least asked for division of votes, not shouted and walked away like this. Why did you do this? Because you didn't want to vote against the bill. सगळ्यापेक्षा चड भूमिपुत्र जे आसा ते रोहना कडेन आसतले, फक्त पोरवोरीन न्ही गोंयभर. त्या भूमिपुत्रांक प्रोटेक्ट करपाक हो अशें करता. आज पासून ताणें एक शब्द काडलो ना. काँग्रेस पक्षान डिनाउन्स केलो, डिक्राय केलो तो एक्ट ऑलरेडी. बट रोहन खंवटे हॅज नॉट डन एनीथिंग. द हाऊस and insulted the constitutional authority of the speaker and enact a drama and create a farce in the constitutional setup of Goa. At a particular level, the decision may be taken, but I am speaking here as a representative of the Congress from Porvorim. As far as Porvorim is concerned, I can tell you that after getting rejected from the BJP, the doors being closed by the High Command of the BJP for Rohan Khaute, he started rushing towards the Congress and offering begs. पैसे दिता आपल्याला तिकेट दी म्हणून. पण ते पैसे घेवपाक कोण रेडी जालो ना, तितले सांगू शकता. आनी आमी घेवचेय बीन ना तेजे पैसे.